Hello everyone, welcome to the video on the operators. In this video we will learn about the assignment operators and relational operators. In the previous video we have learned about the arithmetic operators. So now concentrate on the assignment operator and the relation operator. So let's start with that. Now come to the assignment operator. This operator is used to assign a value to a variable. There are 5 types of assignment operators: equal to, plus equals to, minus equals to, multiply equals to, and divide equals to. First we come to the assignment operator, which is used to assign a value from the right side to the left side variable. That means suppose we have two values, that is a equals to 10. That means we are assigning the value which is given in the right side, that is 10, to the variable a, which is given to the left side. Here the value 10 is assigned to variable A, same as the value 5 is assigned to variable B. Second one is a plus equals to operator. That means we add the right operand to the left operand and store the result to the left side operand. That means A plus equals to B. That means value of B is added with the value of A, and then the result is stored in the A. That means 10 plus 5 equals to 15. So we get the result 15 and result is stored in the A itself. Similarly, minus equals to, that means subtract the right operand to the left operand and store the result to the left side operand. A equals to A minus B similar. That means value of B is subtracted with the value of A. That means 10 minus 5, which is 5, and stored in a 5. So we print A, then we got the result 5. And multiply equals to, that means multiply the right operand, that is B, to the left operand, that is A. That means 10 into 5, that is 50, and store the result into A. Then we print the A, we get the value 50. And the divide equals to operator, we divide the value of B with the value of A. That means 10 divided by 5, so we get 2, which is stored again in the A. So when we print A, we get the result 2.0 in a float variable, because when we divide two variables, it is possible that we get the decimal value. So these are some assignment operators that we have used when we work with the Python. Next one is the relational operator. That means we test the equality or inequality between the two variables, which return the Boolean value. It may be either true or false. Suppose we have the two values, that is A equals to 10 and B equals to 5, that we have previously seen. It is the less than operator. So when we check A is less than B, because value of A is 10, just a minute, I wrote it. Value of A is 10 and value of B is 5. So when we check A is less than B, the result is false because A is greater than B, so we get the output as a false. And less than or equals to, that means value can be less than or equal to, but value is greater than, not less than, not equals to, so we get the result as a false. And in a greater than symbol, when we check A is greater than B, then we get the true value as an output, because the 10 is greater than 5. And when we get greater than or equal to, then we get the true result, because value is greater than, A is greater than B. And double equals to is also a relational operator, which is different from the assignment operator, because in the assignment operator we have used only single equal to, but in relational operator we have used double equal to, which check the equality of the two variables. That means if we write A double equals to B, that means we are checking that the value of A and the value of B are similar or equal. But here the value of A equals to 10 and value of B equals to 5, which both are different, not equal, so we get the result false. And when we use not equals to sign, that means A is not equals to B. Obviously it is true, because A is 10 and B is 5, so we get the result true, that is A is not equals to B. So these are the 6 relational operators that we have worked with the Python or any other programming language. So thank you so much. I hope you have understand clearly with assignment operators and relational operators. For any query, you can comment me. So thank you so much for watching the video.